Are you struggling with hair thinning, breakage, or slow hair growth? What if the solution was already growing in your backyard or sitting in your kitchen cabinet? Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful natural hair remedies of all time, rosemary water for hair growth. It's affordable, effective, and incredibly easy to make right at home. So grab your rosemary and let's grow some hair. Let's start with the basics. Why is rosemary so good for hair? Rosemary is a powerful herb packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and circulation-boosting oils. Several studies suggest that rosemary oil and extracts can stimulate hair follicles, increase blood flow to the scalp, and even reduce hair shedding. In fact, in one study, rosemary oil performed just as well as minoxidil, a popular hair growth treatment, but without the harsh side effects. Pretty amazing, right? To make rosemary water at home, here's what you'll need. 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary or a handful of fresh rosemary, 2 to 3 cups of filtered water, a small pot, a spray bottle or glass jar for storage. You can also add peppermint leaves, cloves, or sage for an extra herbal boost. Let's go through the process step by step. Step 1. Boil the water. Pour your filtered water into a small pot and bring it to a gentle boil. Step 2. Add your rosemary. Once the water is boiling, add your fresh or dried rosemary to the pot. Step 3. Let it simmer. Reduce the heat and let the rosemary simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the oils and nutrients to infuse into the water. Step 4. Cool and strain. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down completely. Then strain it using a fine mesh strainer to remove the leaves. Step 5. Store properly. Transfer your rosemary water into a clean spray bottle or glass jar. Store it in the fridge. It should last up to 7 to 10 days. Now, let's talk about how to use rosemary water for the best results. There are 3 main ways to apply it. As a scalp spray, after shampooing, spritz rosemary water directly onto your scalp. Massage it in and leave it on. No need to rinse. As a hair rinse, use it as a final rinse after washing your hair. It's especially great for itchy scalps and helps leave your hair soft and shiny. As a daily refresher, spritz it onto your scalp and hair throughout the week to refresh curls and hydrate your roots. Use it consistently, at least 3 to 4 times per week, to start seeing visible results. You're probably wondering, how long before I see results? While every head of hair is different, most people begin to notice less shedding and stronger roots within 2 to 4 weeks. Visible growth and thickness often appear by the 6 to 8 week mark, especially when paired with a healthy scalp routine and good nutrition. Before we wrap up, here are a few safety tips. Always do a patch test before using rosemary water on your scalp to rule out any allergies. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using essential herbs regularly. Don't overuse it. More isn't always better. Stick to a few times a week for the best results. Want to boost results even more? Here's a bonus tip. Combine rosemary water with scalp massages using rosemary essential oil. Just add a few drops of rosemary oil to a carrier oil like jojoba or castor oil and massage it into your scalp for 5 minutes before washing. This combo helps unclog hair follicles, improve blood flow, and nourish the roots deeply. That's it, a powerful, all-natural remedy you can start using today. Rosemary water isn't just a hair trend. It's a time-tested herbal solution that's helping thousands of people grow stronger, longer, healthier hair. So go ahead and give it a try. Your hair will thank you. Have you used rosemary water before? Drop your experience in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural hair care tips and remedies. Share this video with someone who's ready to grow their hair naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye.